Great. That is so cool that they did this. But also, too, look how much they've clipped.
Look at all that. Wow.
Yeah, this was gnarly.
Well, it's good that we're coming at 4:30 too.
Yeah.
They might even have it cleaned up by then.
Maybe. Although, honestly, even if they've got it here, it's like, I can definitely tell them, like, no, this is a good thing. Like, I'm happy that you're seeing this. Because it used to be...
So cool.
Ah, konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. 4時半頃ちょっと内見一人来ますのでよろしくお願いいたします。はい。気になさらないでください。
はい。よろしくお願いします。Oh man, yeah, like this was all overgrown
Where's the
before.
front door at?
Right there. Well, let's go walk around the outside real quick. Yo, this was like a jungle when I was here.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah, dude. Oh, this is so nice. And so yeah, like you got the parking down there, right? You do whatever.
Well, we went up a bit, didn't we?
Sure did.
Holy crap.
But then over there, that
Oh.
spot.
Yeah, this view is nothing short of amazing.
Yeah,
wow.
It's fucking nice.
This is cool.
Oh, this is like all of this was overgrown.
When there's like a pond.
Yep.
That I almost stepped in.
Yeah, don't do that. Oh, is there a little path up here?
Oh yeah, there's like I think that gate actually goes to like.
Whoa! What is this? There's a little kura.
This is exciting.
This is very exciting. And it's got a pentagram on it.
What?
Yeah! Holy shit. But yeah, buy that land. That land, buy it. And that land. Don't step in it.
I told you I almost did that again. Is this the entrance?
Yep. This guy.
That sounded promising.
All right. We're in.
Oh my god! Dude, this is like something out of a movie.
Oh, man. Oh, there you go. Oh, that's a decent bath that's full of water.
Whoa.
This is nice. Oh, this is nice. Where's the... Oh, is it... Jeez. This is like out of a movie.
Dude, this is like trippy. What is this place?
Okay, that doesn't turn on. Yeah, let's air things out. Oh man. So many windows.